It's fucking awesome. Factory. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Alright, here we are on Chris's Tuono 1100 factory, but it's a bit different. Fluffy off the bottom, I think. Well, it goes harder, I'll tell you that for sure. Woo-hoo. Oh, the handling is way better. The quick shifter is definitely smoother. Yeah, seats comfier, turning is much more neutral. Doesn't have a lot more go. It definitely goes better. It's the suspension. Throttle response. Oh, I'm definitely getting one of these seats. This is so much better. Brakes seem better as well. A little bit better off the bottom than mine, what I can feel. This is an impressive motorcycle. Feels a bit better than the stock version, that's for sure. Just suspension wise, a bit more stable. Oh, Chris will let me have a go. Definitely got more pull in the mid-range there. Yeah, about the 7,000, there's a lot more pull than my 1,000. Quick shifter is certainly better, and the shift in general is better. It's fucking good.
Got so much more fucking flow.
Yeah. Pull over. Good man. Oh, he's going that way. Yeah. One of the main things is just more neutral, the bike as a whole. Maybe because Chris has had it set up. Suspension is not as jarring, for sure. It's definitely much more comfortable. I'll say that for sure. Oh, he nodded, what a legend. Yeah, the throttle response is definitely improved. Power, at about 7,000, it's got a lot more pull around that region. Bottom and top's probably similar. And it's just a smoother ride, like much more comfortable doing speed. Definitely got a better burn one. A little bit throatier. I just noticed all the bumps. This old one certainly soaks it up that little bit better. Just does everything that tiny bit better. They sound funny on the D cell. I don't know if I like that. The bars are certainly different. They get narrower. I think it's a little bit better like that. It's everything in that little bit tighter. Not as motocrossy. I can't get over how much better the quick shifter is. It's not as jarring as mine. And they've had, you know, a few years to fix up that. It's just improved, full stop. Just a smoother bike with more power. Up with this booster then, I'm comfortable. So, what do I think of this? It's a pretty bloody impressive bike, eh? Like, it's just a refined 1000. It's smoother. It's more comfortable. It's got more power. The throttle response is better. The quick shift works better. I can't say that anything doesn't work better. It's just an improved motorcycle. It's just makes no fucking good job, Aprilia. Fuck, makes you want one, though. If you got any questions about the bike, just put it in the comments and I'll try and answer them. He's got like front. He looks like he's wearing one of those alien, you know, those Predator helmets, but it's just his fucking hat. That's fucking awesome. Thank you, we're going to the control. So, factory. Fuck, it looks so impressive in real life too. I'll put that. Pictures don't do it justice. It just looks bloody good. Makes my bike look dull and it's bright yellow. Some people might not like that loud looking kind of bike. It's right up my alley. Righto, we're back on the 1000 Tuono after riding Chris's 1100. Let's see if we can feel any differences. Yeah, the bars more motocrossy. And I'm going to push it in the corners a bit more using the bars, so that's a little difference. And it just feels a little bit more settled. Like once it turns just as well. It's just more gradual and easier to get into the corners initially. But yeah, awesome machine. I'd fucking love one. If you're thinking about buying one, I'd definitely buy one. There's no reason you shouldn't if you got the money. Yeah, fucking badass. Alright guys, I'll leave you to it. We're heading home. Catch you later guys. See ya. Sick. Willie. That is fucking sick.